praying for all my sins, knowing that my end is near. Don't cry now, mama, please don't shed a tear. Listen, everything ain't what it seems. Forever you see, but still I had a lust for greed. Touch with the devilish need. See, I'm in these streets, no mercy for the weak, so I got to stand strong. So many didn't last long while others passed on like sand in the breeze. I'm praying on my knees that I'm forgiven for these thoughts running through my mental. I'm free now, but I'm still trapped up in this prison, wishing on falling stars and I just fall harder than I did before. You reap what you sow, and this I know sevenfold. 3 cases ago, carried the burden of the load that embraced my soul, spiraling out of control down this road of redemption, sentenced to purgatory for all my resistance.
Why must I live my life this way? Why must I throw my life away? Why must I do the things I do? It's over now.
Niggas say we got beef, we'll see about it. Nigga, this ain't just talk, we be about it. I ain't no motherfucking hoe, I'm a G about it. Try me, bitch, and I bet niggas gon' read about it. It's over now, the whole world know I'm a soldier now. Weight on my shoulders, so I'm fucked up, roll with my soldiers now. Can you believe a young G gotta live this way? Why do I do the shit I do and say the shit I say? I'm trying to get away, get with the clique and spit some shit. Sip on a fit and pimp some hoes, we probably with your bitch. It's a conspiracy, got all my niggas here with me. Strapping up, finna murk some young killers talking about killing me. Cause niggas say we got beef, then we'll see about it. Nigga, this ain't just talk, we be about it. Why do I do the shit I do? I'm a G about it. I think I need to ask the Lord to bring me about it.
Why must I live my life this way? Why must I throw my life away? Why must I do the things I do? It's over now. It's over now. Why must I live my life this way? Why must I throw my life away? Why must I do the things I do? It's over now. It's over.
I got one life to live. I've wasted plenty time. I'm trying to do it big. Lord, please give me a sign. Tell me if my hustle's worth it. If I work, will my life be worthless? I gotta feed my kids, so now my life has its purpose. I'm drowning in my sins and trying to swim to the surface. I'm never scared, but I get nervous when I go to service. Addicted to the cash, the life that I never had. I'm trying to give it to my kids before my time pass and leave a legacy and break my generational curse. I want the best, but I confess, gotta put my family first. You see, I thirst for the hustle, entrepreneur just like Russell. I'm a gangster like Frank Lucas, but without the fucking muscle. I got my mindset, got my 9 bets, so let's do it. Whatever it takes for happiness, you know I will pursue it. I try leaving it behind, but end up right back in St. Louis. Why must I live this way? I know better, but I still do it. I'm afraid to be a failure, a secret I wanted to tell you. That's why I try so hard to be the best, if not the better. That's why I wrote this in my letter. Lord, forgive me for my sins. Utilizing what you gave me, I exercise it to the end. Loyalty and respect, I for no family, no friends. I got nothing to lose, and I pray to God my kids win. Why must I live this way and do the things I do? I'm trying hard, Lord, please tell me why can't I be like you?